A Puttanesca. It originated in Naples, Italy, and is made with 6 pantry staples. So there's really no excuse if you have a good pantry, a well-stocked pantry, that you can't make this kind of pasta at home. Canned tomatoes, capers, anchovies, garlic, red pepper flakes, and olives. And your sauce can be made in the time it takes your pasta water to come to a boil. So let me teach you how to make puttanesca. Start off with a pot of water. And remember, a tablespoon of salt per pound of pasta. We're using a half a pound, so about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And bring that to a raging boil and add your pasta. I'm going to use penne because when it comes to saucing pasta, the general rule is to use light sauces for delicate pastas like capellini or spaghettini, and chunky, heavy sauces for sturdier pastas like penne or rigatoni. Pasta's flavor is also an important consideration when choosing a sauce. The delicate flavor of fresh pasta is most successfully paired with light, creamy, or butter-based sauces. And dried pastas, which I really prefer most of the time, are usually combined with heartier sauces. The puttanesca is one of those hearty sauces. Start with 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil and 2 cloves of garlic, very finely minced, and 1/4 teaspoon of red hot pepper flakes, or to taste, and 3 anchovies. These are salted anchovies packed in olive oil, and they are rinsed to get some of the salt off, and just mash those in the pan. I have an old boyfriend who had mastered pasta puttanesca. That's his only dish in his repertoire. And I think I've told this story before. He loves it every time I tell it. If you get invited to his house for dinner, that's all you ever get. He's never gone beyond. Very amusing. So we don't want to cook the garlic. We just want to saute it lightly. So that has started the sauce. And then tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes. Use a pair of kitchen shears or your hands. You can pull these apart with your hands too, but I find it's very easy and neat to use your scissors. There, that's good and chunky, but yet cut up enough so that it will work as a sauce. And now add this to your pan. We have Kalamata olives. These are pitted, and there's 1/4 cup of them. And Kalamata olives are the elongated, purpley olives from Kalamata, Greece. And they are very, very flavorful. You have to take the pits out, and the pits are easy to get out of the Kalamatas. Olive goes right into the sauce, and capers. These are the little caper berries that grow on a caper bush, and they are very bitter on the bush. But once dried in the sun and packed in brine, vinegar, or dry salt, the bitterness dissipates, and the tender green little pellet shapes develop a really nice, tangy, salty flavor. So the sauce is coming together. It's looking really good. A little pinch of black pepper, a little pinch of salt. So you see we've finished the sauce, and now with your spider, just put the hot cooked pasta right into your sauce. It's so easy. Dinner on the table in just the time it takes to cook the pasta. I suggest serving this with a sauteed broccoli rabe or a spinach. Coat the pasta with the sauce, and it is healthy, really, really delicious. There you have it, pasta puttanesca. A little chiffonaded basil would be pretty. A little basil leaf would be also gorgeous. A perfect dinner for 2.